Biking to school on November what? November 5th? Biking to school on November 5th, eh? That's funny. Yeah. Should be. That should be.
You having fun?
I am.